Hello folks, welcome back to WIF Facts, and for today's video, let's visit the beautiful islands of the Philippines. Not for a vacation but to learn more about their endemic animals. As Filipinos say, only in the Philippines. But before that, clicking the subscribe button is greatly appreciated to help me grow the channel. The Republic of the Philippines, situated in the Pacific Ocean close to the equator, is comprised of approximately 7,640 islands. The country presents a diverse range of attractions, including vibrant urban centers, breathtaking coastlines, and majestic mountains, making it an enticing destination for adventurous adventurers. As an archipelago, the Philippines offers numerous opportunities to discover its abundant wildlife. With a rich array of endemic plants and animals residing on its land and seas, the country is a paradise for biologists. Researchers recognize it as having the highest density of distinct species per unit area globally, making it an exceptional haven for biodiversity. At number 10, Palawan Peacock-Pheasant. The Palawan peacock-pheasant is native to the lush forests of Palawan Island. This bird, measuring around 50 centimeters in length, possesses a moderate size and exhibits a notable elongated tail and crest. To ward off potential threats, it showcases robin egg blue markings on its tail that resemble eyes. Male Palawan peacock pheasants feature a black body adorned with blue patterns on their wings, a grayish finely speckled back and tail adorned with blue peacock eyes, white facial markings, and a red eye ring. In contrast, females display brown plumage with a pale face, along with a crest and tail feathers speckled with spots. In their elaborate courtship displays, male Palawan peacock pheasants attract females by unfurling their tails, reminiscent of the grandiose displays of peacocks. These peacock pheasants primarily feed on invertebrates, including isopods, earwigs, insect larvae, mollusks, centipedes, and termites. Additionally, they consume small frogs, drupes, seeds, and berries. Number 9. Mindanao Bleeding Heart. The Mindanao Bleeding Heart, also referred to as Bartlett's Bleeding Heart Dove, Bartlett's Bleeding Heart Pigeon, and the hair-breasted bleeding heart, is a bird species belonging to the pigeon family. They can be found on the islands of Mindanao, Basilan, Samar, Leyte, and Bohol, measuring approximately 29 centimeters in length and weighing between 184 to 204 grams. The Mindanao bleeding heart exhibits distinct physical characteristics. Its forehead, crown, nape, and mantle display a metallic green color, slightly less vibrant on the forehead and sides of the head. The back to rump area showcases a chocolate brown hue with green fringes, while the upper and central tail coverts present a purplish-brown shade. The chin and throat are white, but the most striking feature is the blood-red patch adorning its breast. In terms of diet, these birds primarily feed on the forest floor, searching for berries, seeds, worms, and insects. In their natural habitat, Mindanao bleeding hearts are known to be extremely secretive and shy, engaging in occasional foraging activities where they flip over the soil with their bill as they move along. Males exhibit high territoriality and defend their designated area by issuing warning calls first, and if necessary, engaging in fights that may result in fatalities. Number 8. Philippine crocodile. The Philippine crocodile, also known as the Philippine freshwater crocodile or simply buwaya, is a species of crocodile native to the Philippines. Historically, it could be found throughout the Philippine Islands, but its current range is limited to the northern part of Luzon and the southwest of Mindanao. These crocodiles predominantly inhabit estuarine and coastal shores, with a significant portion of their habitat consisting of freshwater areas such as ponds, marshes, and small rivers. They are characterized by their relatively small size for a crocodile species, possessing a broad snout and thick bony plates on their back. Philippine crocodiles typically have 66 to 68 teeth that are regularly replaced. Adult individuals of this species reach breeding maturity at around 4 feet 11 inches in length and weighing about 15 kilograms. They exhibit a golden brown coloration, which tends to darken as they mature. As carnivores, Philippine crocodiles primarily feed on fish, shrimp, crabs, snails, small mammals, snakes, and birds. Unfortunately, the Philippine crocodile is currently facing severe endangerment and is classified as critically endangered. This species has experienced a significant population decline, primarily due to extensive hunting for commercial purposes in the past. However, the destruction of their habitat poses the most serious threat to their survival in present times. The clearing of rainforests to make way for rice fields, driven by the increasing human population, is causing habitat loss for these crocodiles. Additionally, the killing of crocodiles remains a major factor contributing to their declining numbers. Urgent conservation efforts are required to protect and preserve this highly threatened species. Number 7. Rufous hornbill. The rufous hornbill, also known as the Philippine hornbill and locally referred to as kalaw, is a sizable hornbill species that is exclusive to the Philippines. It holds the distinction of being the largest hornbill found in the country. They can be found in moist tropical lowland forests. One of its notable features is its distinctively large booming call, earning it the local nickname Clock of the Mountains as it often occurs at regular intervals, resembling the striking of a clock every hour. Sadly, the rufous hornbill is now classified as a threatened species. The main factors contributing to its decline include habitat destruction, hunting, and poaching for the illegal pet trade. Urgent conservation efforts are necessary to protect and preserve this magnificent species. Number 6. Philippine flying lemur. The Philippine flying lemur, also known as the Philippine colugo and locally referred to as kagwang, bears a name that may be misleading. Despite its name, the Philippine flying lemur is not a lemur, nor does it possess the ability to fly. Instead, it navigates through the forest by gliding as it leaps among trees. A typical Philippine flying lemur weighs approximately 1 to 1.7 kilograms, with a head-body length ranging from 13 to 15 inches and a tail length of 6.5 to 10.5 inches. This species is endemic to the southern Philippines, with its population concentrated in the Mindanao region, Bohol, and occasionally found in Samar and Leyte. It primarily inhabits heavily forested areas, residing high up in the trees within lowland and mountainous forests, and occasionally in coconut and rubber plantations. The Philippine flying lemur is not a proficient climber, as its wide patagia, gliding membranes, and non-opposable thumbs make climbing slow and clumsy. When ascending tree trunks, they adopt a series of slow lurches with their heads up and limbs spread to grip the tree. As a folivorous species, the Philippine flying lemur primarily feeds on young leaves, occasionally supplementing its diet with soft fruits, flowers, plant shoots, and insects. They also obtain a significant amount of water by licking wet leaves and consuming the moisture present in plants and fruits. Number 5. Visayan warty pig. The Visayan warty pig, an endemic species, can be found on 6 of the Visayan islands, namely Cebu, Negros, Panay, Masbate, Guimaras, and Siquijor. This particular pig species derives its name from the presence of 3 pairs of fleshy warts on its face. Biologists speculate that these warts serve as a natural defense mechanism against the tusks of rival pigs during confrontations. The Visayan warty pig exhibits a dark gray coloration and sports stiff, spiky hair. Boars, which are the males, are significantly larger than sows, the females, and during the breeding season, they develop crests and manes, a unique characteristic among wild pigs. Typically, Visayan warty pigs live in groups consisting of 4 to 6 individuals. Their diet primarily consists of roots, tubers, and fruits sourced from the forest. Unfortunately, the Visayan warty pig is critically endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. It is believed to have gone extinct on 4 of the islands within its original native range, with small surviving populations remaining on Negros and Panay. Number 4. Philippine mouse deer. The Philippine mouse deer, also known as the pilindok, is a small ruminant that is active at night and endemic to Balabac and the surrounding smaller islands southwest of Palawan. It displays a black and brown coat with white stripes on the throat and chest. The individual hairs of its coat exhibit different colors, with a light base ranging from white to ashy brown, a tawny, orange, or brown midsection, and a long black tip. The most notable markings of the Balabac chevrotain are the 3 narrow white stripes on its throat, originating from a white patch under the chin and extending down towards the chest. On average, the Balabac mouse deer measures 40 to 50 centimeters in length from the head to the tail base and stands at an average shoulder height of 18 centimeters. Unlike true deer, the males of this species do not possess antlers. Instead, they rely on their large, tusk-like canine teeth on the upper jaw for self-defense or territorial disputes with other males. The Philippine mouse deer is a solitary, nocturnal creature, although it has been observed in pairs for short periods of time. Its primary diet consists of leaves, flowers, and other vegetation found in the dense undergrowth of the forest. During the day, it seeks refuge in the dense primary and secondary forests and limits its movement. At dusk, it ventures into mangroves and more open areas to forage. There have also been sightings of the Philippine mouse deer along the seashore. Unfortunately, this species faces various threats, including poaching and capture for the wildlife trade. Hunting has significantly reduced its population. The meat of the mouse deer is considered a delicacy on the islands, and its skin is used for leather production. And we're down to our top 3. If you're enjoying the video, kindly click that like and share button so your friends can watch it too. At number 3. Philippine tarsia. The Philippine tarsia, locally known as maamag, is a tarsia species native to the southeastern part of the archipelago, specifically found on the islands of Bohol, Samar, and Leyte. It is one of the smallest primates, measuring approximately 3.35 to 6.30 inches in height. Due to its small size, it can be challenging to spot. Males typically weigh between 80 to 160 grams, slightly heavier than females, and relatively heavier compared to other tarsia species like the pygmy tarsia. On average, an adult Philippine tarsia is about the size of an adult human fist. The Philippine tarsia thrives in habitats such as tropical rainforests with dense vegetation, seeking protection from tall grasses, bushes, and bamboo shoots. As an insectivore, its diet mainly consists of insects, spiders, small crustaceans, and occasionally small vertebrates like lizards and birds. Being a shy and nocturnal creature, the Philippine tarsia leads a predominantly hidden life. It sleeps during the day in dark hollows near the ground, typically close to tree trunks and shrubs within the dense bushes and forests. It becomes active at night, utilizing its keen sight and exceptional tree climbing abilities to avoid human contact. Unfortunately, Philippine tarsias have been sought after as pets or for the wildlife trade, despite their low survival rate outside their natural habitat. In captivity, they struggle to thrive, with a decreased life expectancy of 2 to 12 years compared to the potential 24 years. They can live in the wild when feeding on live insects. Number 2. Philippine cobra. Adorned with both elegance and danger, the Philippine cobra, also known as the Philippine spitting cobra or northern Philippine cobra, showcases its enchanting presence in the northern regions of the Philippines. This stocky snake, with its ability to expand its cervical ribs and form a striking hood when provoked, captivates onlookers. Measuring an average of 3.3 feet, but capable of reaching 5.2 feet, its elliptical head, distinct from the neck, boasts a short, rounded snout and alluring dark brown eyes. While adult snakes exhibit a uniform light to medium brown coloration, the juveniles don a richer, darker shade. Thriving in diverse habitats, including low-lying plains, forested areas, and human settlements, this remarkable cobra is particularly drawn to the allure of water, often found basking near ponds, rivers, and expansive puddles. Its diet primarily consists of small mammals, frogs, and even fellow snakes, with small rodents like mice and rats serving as preferred delicacies. Other prey items on its menu include small lizards, frogs, eggs, and, when fate aligns, small birds. Renowned for its formidable venom, the Philippine cobra possesses one of the most toxic venoms among its cobra counterparts. Its potent postsynaptic neurotoxin poses a grave threat, affecting respiratory function and potentially leading to neurotoxicity and respiratory paralysis, underlining the awe-inspiring yet treacherous nature of this remarkable creature. And at number 1, no other than the Philippines' national bird, the Philippine eagle. The majestic Philippine eagle, also referred to as the monkey-eating eagle or great Philippine eagle, can be spotted on 4 significant islands: eastern Luzon, Samar, Leyte, and Mindanao. Its preferred habitats are dipterocarp and mid-montane forests, specifically favoring steep terrains, ranging from lowlands to elevations surpassing 5,900 feet. With its striking appearance, the Philippine eagle showcases a shaggy, mane-like crest of long, brown feathers on its nape. Its face is dark, while the nape and crown display a creamy brown hue. The back is a deep brown shade, contrasting with the white underside and underwings. This magnificent bird possesses yellow, robust legs equipped with large, powerful, dark claws, and its prominent beak, characterized by a bluish-gray color, is notably high-arched and deep. The mesmerizing blue-gray eyes add to its captivating allure, measuring approximately 2 feet 10 inches to 3 feet 4 inches in length, with an impressive wingspan of 6.5 feet, and weighing between 4.5 to 8.1 kilograms, the Philippine eagle commands both power and grace. While its name suggests a preference for monkeys, the Philippine eagle's diet encompasses a wide range of creatures, including bats, civets, flying squirrels, macaques, various bird species including other birds of prey, snakes, and lizards. These remarkable birds exhibit diurnal activity patterns and rest during the night. Known for their unwavering loyalty, Philippine eagles are monogamous, forming lifelong partnerships. In the event of a mate's passing, the surviving eagle often seeks a new companion. Tragically, the Philippine eagle bears the unfortunate distinction of being one of the most critically endangered raptors worldwide. The main threats to their survival stem from deforestation caused by logging and expanding agricultural practices. Mining activities, pollution, exposure to pesticides that disrupt breeding, and poaching also contribute to their decline. Additionally, these majestic eagles occasionally fall victim to traps set by local communities targeting deer. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.